Hey guys, I'm doing a YouTube video today, and today I'm just going to show you something really cool, okay? Be right back. We got a new fake gun. See if this were a real gun, it wouldn't do this. Okay. Wouldn't do that. So it's pretty much a fake. And look, you can even take this. The gun can't do this, so some can. But this one, not that much. So you can turn to a rifle. It's a rifle. Or you can turn to a snipe. Sniper. And today I'm going to show you how to use it. Be right back again. So, like, we want to use it because, stuff. So, like, I'm going to do something to show you how to use this gun. So, first all I have to do is place the camera right here. Okay. You guys see? You guys see me? You guys see me? You guys see me? Yeah. We get our gun here, right? We get a bullet out of here. Do that. Split. And then we're ready to shoot. See? Come to this view here. Show you the view of this. You will see the door here, right? You see the door, right? You saw that. I know. This back, you saw that. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. That's it for this bit. Just kidding. There's some more. So, well, I'm going to show you how to insert this bullet in here. So you see that hole? So that hole in here, right? You have to put it in like this in the hole, push it in. There's the hole, and then push it in. Right, and then close this until it snaps. And then you're ready. All you have to do to take it out is do this, and yeah, you're all ready. And bam, you can take up the scope, use it like this. If you want binoculars, if you have never had a telescope before, you can do that. There. So, I'm going to take off the case. I'm using it now. So I want to take off the case on this. Ow! Like, it's kind of hard. So yeah, and also I have a new thing that I got a few days ago. Look, see this? Light up, bubbles. So we can't do it in the house right now, so I can show you it in the next video. Bye!